Okay guys, this video is going to show you how to use the library tool within Amplify. So I'm logged into my teacher account, so it may look a little bit different, but I'll explain why I had to log in as a teacher in just a minute. So basically our home screens look really similar. So you're going to go up here to your global navigation or your stack of pancakes. Click that, okay? This first icon is just what would take you to this home screen. And then under tools, you guys only have two options. Yours will say library and my work, okay? But the library will look like that. You click on it. Being slow. Okay, the first time you log in, you have to create a pin, okay? And it's like 4 lowercase letters and or numbers. Okay, I made mine just numbers because I felt like that was easier. So that's why I didn't log in as a student, because I didn't want to make a password for someone and them not know it. So first time you'll log in, you'll create a pin. All right, so then within the library, this is what you guys have access to. Now, you won't have access to this novel guides because this is for teachers, but you have access to all of these different books, okay? The library is amazing. I'm kind of jealous, but I mean, I guess I can look at it too. So I'll go ahead and tell you, Agatha Christie, she does like murder mysteries. So good. So what you would do if you found a book you liked, you'd click on it. Okay, and then you can, I'm not 100% sure the difference between start reading and download, but I think if you start reading would be like a preview. If you want to read the whole thing, you would click download. So I'm going to show you a book that I've already downloaded right here. This one called Breadcrumbs. It shows that I have it downloaded. So if I want to go back and access that, I would click My Library, Downloaded. And so it shows me the books that I have. So if I clicked it, and I could click Start Reading. So here's the book, essentially. So it's not an audio book, like you're going to read the words like you would a hard copy book in your hand. If I can ever get it, there we go. Okay. So, and you can read. And you have access to all of these amazing books. And it will kind of show you your progress as you're going across. So I've read 2% of it at this point. Okay. So then that button will take you back to the very beginning. So you may not want to click that one. This one is going to your recently opened. And then here is kind of your table of contents, essentially. All right. If you accidentally click that button that takes you all the way back and you're like, man, I know I was on chapter 10, you can do that and it will take you straight to chapter 10. Okay. There are, I believe, I was hovering over it to see, I think that's a bookmark to show where you've been. You can zoom in. I think you can even take annotations down if you want to. And then it's going to give you some of this information. So when you go back and look at it, you can see your annotations that you wrote if you wanted to. Okay. So that is kind of our Amplify Library. Now, when you click into Amplify Library, it opens it in another tab, if you see up here at the top. So when you're done, you just close out that tab, and it's taking you back here.